Look, we just come to a factory. Let's see eyes on walls.
What's that noise?
Becky, you hear all sorts of noises, mate.
That sounds like a human.
Yeah, I told you. This place is freaky as shit.
Didn't they used to be all, was it all slaves here or something?
No, it's a cotton factory, but I'm sure there were prisons on the other side.
Yeah, that's
So-
what owned by slaves.
Yeah, so it might have been used by slaves. Look at that. It's an outline of a tarantula.
Could have some.
I know, I was going to say, that's some tarantula, that.
Hey, look at that on the wall. Turn around. They all see an eye. Yeah, they all see an eye. And to be with, I can't remember what it's called, the people that run Hollywood.
I'm trying to keep the camera down because obviously we don't want people to know we're in here.
Looks amazing. Different from last time we came. Look at that. It's a piece of gold there, like typical as well.
I still like to know why that's brand new.
Wait, yeah, a minute. It's a sack full of something.
Yeah, it'd be cotton.
Oh, will it?
Yeah, I said it used to be cotton. Man.
Oh, what was that clean it off? Look at that. Right there, I'll put me there.
We blocked off that bit.
Oh, that's right.
Let's see, it used to be able to get in that bit. Never been in this bit before.
Haven't you?
No. This is newly opened. Yeah, watch out for nails in doors and that.
Yeah. Thanks.
Look, it's all covered. What's that say? The Wisdom Book of Cricket Records. Okay, now that's an old book.
Really old. Look at
Uh-huh.
that. Well, there's a few old books here. Really old. Yeah. And look at else that on the file. There must be files and books and stuff to want to get rid of. There's people's belongings in it.
That's what I mean, don't be surprised if you don't see homeless, you know.
No, there's a set of buildings there. And it's got a date on. It says 1916.
Oh, do you know how much them weighing scales used to be worth? Someone smashed it to pieces, that would have been worth some money though.
Hey. You know what people's items? It says 1916 on it.
Yeah. You can tell someone's been in there. Oh, it's got a bed in here. Wonder if you get electricity. Because it looks like someone's wired up an extension lead, you know, there in the top corner.
Yeah.
So I wonder if you get electricity in here.
God knows.
So I wait till we get up to the third level. It's so much creepier up
Wait,
there.
get those clothes on video because it says 1916 on it. We're now in 2025. So imagine how many years
But
ago.
yeah, it's
they were.
part one, back in part